Kalika International belongs to the Swastik Group of companies in India. Swastik Group is the largest manufacturer of hydraulic brake fluid in Asia with a monthly production of 2,500 tons. It is an export unit based in Surat's Special Economic Zone, from where products are exported to more than 30 countries around the world. Kalika International is an ISO 9000-2015 certified company which safeguards high quality, and the company management adheres to the best practices to ensure superlative standards. It is equipped with one of the most advanced laboratories with dedicated laboratory chemists who are trained to conduct all the rigorous tests required for brake fluids and antifreeze coolants. Constant efforts are being made in research and development to improve the product quality to the best of international standards. Its state-of-art manufacturing facility has trained staff to ensure qualitative and timely production of different products. The company is equipped with a modern filling line for catering various multinational brands who have put their trust since many years on Kalika International for their quality products. The company supplies products in a wide variety of packing options, from small packs of 250 ml which are packed and cartonized as per customer requirement to 250 kg drums. The company maintains the best of safety standards required for the same. The bulk supplies are done in 24-ton flexi bags. Since the unit is in a special economic zone, custom sealing is done at the factory gate itself. The loading of the containers is done by qualified operators to ensure proper stacking of drums, cartons, and 1-ton IBCs. The enormous storage capacity of 6,300 tons guarantees uninterrupted product supply. The team at Kalika International is always eager to serve its customers around the world.